You ready? Welcome to Happy Cat Yoga. My name is Lara. This is Joker Dog. And thanks for joining us today. We're going to do a beautiful, calming pranayama exercise, breathing exercise that is called Golden Thread Breath. So let's begin in a seated position. You can sit anywhere you want. You can sit on the couch, you can sit on a chair. Just make sure you sit comfortably. Your hands resting comfortably on your legs. Let's first bring our awareness to the breath. Breathing in through the nose. And out through the nose or the mouth. Whatever feels good right now. Just being aware of the little lift that your in-breath brings. Little lift to your chest, little energetic lift. And then the relaxation on your out-breath. Beautiful. And now bring your hands to your jaw and just relax your jaw, relax your face. I know it looks pretty funny, but no one's watching you. Just beautiful massage to your face, your jaw, just to relax everything, kind of wiggle the jaw. And then breathing in through the nose. Sighing out, feel that really intense relaxation here. Let's do that again. Breathe in through the nose. Sigh it out, open mouth. One more time. And now keep breathing in through the nose and keep your mouth as relaxed as it was in the sigh, but make no more sound. And now, if it's comfortable for you, and only if it's comfortable, make your lips, bring them closer together, make them narrower. But in a really soft way, nothing forced. Face and jaw still relaxed. Imagine your paper, just a thin paper between your lips. This is the pathway for the air to flow out, really softly. Remain soft. And if it is effortless, you can bring your lips even closer together. So that it's a very narrow, very sweet pathway for your exhale. Don't tense your lips in order to get a super narrow pathway. It's really just relaxed, bringing the lips closer together. And if you feel that there's effort, then don't have them as close together. It's really not important. Breathing in through the nose. And out through your mouth. Your guide here is softness. Almost making no sound. Not a whistling shape of the mouth or a sound. Just a gentle, gentle, slow, soft stream. And now imagine in this soft, small opening, a golden thread breathing. You're breathing this golden thread out of your mouth. It's a really soft and supple, beautiful, thin thread. And with this golden thread that moves outward, your mental awareness also moves outward, away from you, outside of you. So that your mental awareness is really at the very end of this golden thread. And what remains in this stillness, in this breath, is absolute peace. Absolute quiet. Relaxation. Just space, effortless space. And now on your next inhale, take a deep breath in through your nose. And softly sigh it out. A few more times. And gently open your eyes. I hope you enjoyed this golden thread breath that you can do anytime for however long you want, shorter, longer. It's really your choice, whatever you need. Thanks so much for joining. Comment on the video, share these videos, join in my free live online yoga sessions. Just go to my homepage, happycatyogi.com, and I hope I'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Namaste.